Good evening, Star. This is Jeff Carr, and I'm responding to your initial post about the differences between analysis of variance and the analysis of covariance. And let me start by saying I love the way that you make your statement of your definition of the difference between the two. It's just you stating the obvious, and I love how you put it. It's kind of like the answer is right there within the question, that one has to do with the analysis of a variance and the other one is an ANOVA, just with the existence of a covariate that has to be accounted for, and your attention to the detail about how we need to make sure and account for and recognize that covariate, that other variable that needs to be controlled for. And so I appreciated that. And I also liked your research and your hypotheses example, talking about how gender and after school program attendance can impact GPA. And with the covariate that you have to control for whether or not there are siblings in the household, because when you think about extraneous variables and the way that they can impact research, they can impact your data, your analysis, and we don't always think of every single extraneous variable, but when we try to account for those that may have some general impact, or if you're just trying to find out if there is an impact, then I think the example that you used was really well. You discussed the assumptions and the necessity for assumptions testing. It's really key for moving forward with any type of statistical analysis, and it's key to the interpretation of your results. I struggle a lot with all of these different acronyms between ANOVA, ANCOVA, MANOVA, MANCOVA, factor analysis, all of these different things. I do struggle a lot with the why we do all of this sometimes, but I like that after reading other people's posts and after doing these labs and doing the various tests and things that we have to do, that it's helping me to better understand how to interpret the results, and I've definitely gained a better appreciation for research. And when I look at articles and when I look at research, I can see the kind of work that went into it based on the tables that they're using, the analysis that they're using, all those different things. So I appreciated your post and how it made it easy for me to understand the difference between the two. Have a good evening.